What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Techie Family channel. Got another budget buster phone here, releasing on the 7th in the US. It's the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. Should be at your local wireless cellular provider, but Samsung just announced their Note 20s. The A71 5G came out not too long ago. I'll put a link in the description for that video, and have it up top as well if you guys didn't catch that one. But this is its smaller, younger brother, we're gonna go ahead and say, but still a budget beast when it comes to 5G phones. So right off the bat, we'll knock out the specs for this bad boy and go through what it is that you're getting for the price that you're getting it for. So it is flaunting a 6.5-inch edge-to-edge screen, 4 cameras on the back. It's got a 64 megapixel main camera, 3 additional 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and a 5 megapixel depth camera for those stunning portraits. It's got the Exynos 980 processor. It's an octa-core processor, where the A71 is rocking the Snapdragon 765 processor. It's a little bit different there. It's rocking the same two-tone design as the A71, sort of a rainbowish color here, kind of a flatter color on the back. So same design as the A71, but I'll throw up the specs for both, A51 being on the left, A71 being on the right. So not too big of a difference. Screen size, processing, RAM, it's going to be your main difference, but both still flaunting 5G on their respective carrier services. Obviously some are better than others. Check with your carrier for the 5G compatibility in your area, but 6.5-inch screen on this one, Exynos processor, 4 camera setup, 32 megapixel selfie, 6.5-inch screen on this bad boy, and this price $499.99. So another budget beast we've got Samsung coming out with. They're doing some things. So screen looks to be very similar to the A71, so it might be an AMOLED display for this particular phone as well. So we'll get into the phone here, see what's going on. Oh, definitely a very nice screen. So 6.5-inch looks like an AMOLED display. Well, there you have it, guys. Budget beast from Samsung with 5G capabilities. We appreciate you tuning in to the Techie Family channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get notified whenever we drop more videos. We appreciate you guys tuning in, all the support. Thank you. We will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Lou. Techie Family, over and out.